What if you never stop digging into the earth? Day 1. You start right in your backyard with a cheap $20 shovel and absolutely zero plan. At first, it's just dirt, rocks, and worms, utterly boring. But by 20 meters down, your shovel strikes something hard. You dig out old silver coins and ancient pottery. Turns out, your suburban house sits directly on top of a forgotten colonial-era dump site. You sell the historic artifacts to a local museum, and instead of taking a vacation, you reinvest. You buy a heavy-duty reinforced steel trench shovel. At 100 meters, disaster strikes. You pierce an underground aquifer. High-pressure groundwater explodes into the shaft, instantly flooding everything you build. Instead of quitting, you go corporate. You hire an engineering crew, install massive industrial water pumps, concrete line the shaft walls, and drop in a ventilation grid. Suddenly, your backyard isn't a hole anymore. It's a venture-backed startup, and investors are knocking on your fence. Down at 300 meters, your tools hit massive bone. You've uncovered a perfectly preserved, fully intact Tyrannosaurus Rex fossil. Global museums start a massive bidding war. You sell the naming rights to a tech billionaire, officially labeling it the Backyardosaurus. This unlocks millions in cash. Out goes the shovel. In comes heavy-duty industrial excavation machinery. At 1,000 meters, you strike a massive vein of pure lithium. Tech companies are calling your personal cell phone directly. At 3,000 meters, you break into a cavern of giant glowing crystals untouched by human eyes. You set up cameras and charge $20 a pop for live stream access. By 30,000 meters, you breach the Earth's mantle. The government sends you emergency cease and desist letters warning of tectonic instability. You frame them on your office wall. At 2.9 million meters, your sensors detect an endless sea of churning liquid iron. You immediately package and sell core mining rights like it's luxury beachfront real estate. Final depth, 6.3 million meters. The inner core. Suddenly, gravity becomes equal in every single direction. You're floating, completely weightless, but utterly trapped at the very center of the planet. You are officially the richest person alive, and you can never leave.